Welcome back to Excel Introduction. So this time we are going to explore the use of choose here. Okay, so what is choose? Well, it's simply to choose one of these values. So assume that you have this few cells carrying different values, and I'm just going to choose one of it. So if you look carefully over here, okay, choose number 2 out of this 1, 2, 3, 4. C4, D4, E4, and F4. Okay, all these corresponding cells, individual cells. So I want to choose number 2. So choosing number 2 just gives me 5, 5, 5. And there you go, right? But of course, you can always shift this around to say, hey, I want to choose the third one. Then there will be 6. Or if I want to choose the first option, yeah, there'll be 444. So that's all choose does. Okay, if you specify a bunch of values, you can choose from one of it. That's all it does. Thank you.